ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। देहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकाकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी शुभानुस्ते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। अंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। दासदेवी प्रिय केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदेवी सत्यवती जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Okay, so I would like a volunteer to repeat the lines after me. Someone who is not in bhajan class, please, because then we can always do that later. But someone who is from the Sharanya group, any one person can volunteer.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Gandharvika here, Mataji.
Yes, ma'am. Can you please follow along with me for verse 7?
Sure, Mataji.
Thank you. Okay. So we'll do verse 7 now. I'll sing the whole verse first, just for some context, and then we'll do line by line. Okay. राधा कुण्डतटे कलिन्दतनया तीरे च वंशीवटे प्रेमोन्मादवशात् अशेषदशया ग्रस्तौ प्रमत्तौ सदा गायन्तौ च कदा हरिर्गुणकरम् भावाभिभूतौ मुदा वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ. Okay, so this is verse 7. Sure, we're familiar with the tune by now. It's very easy. Just how we fit the words in, that is the challenge. So here there aren't any complicated hyphenated combinations that we should struggle with breath for. It's pretty straightforward. Let's do line 1. Meanings first. Radha Kunda, of the lake called Radha Kunda. Tate, on the shore. We can do this together, Matajis, all of us. I won't leave gap at the end. Kalinda Tanaya, of the Yamuna river, the daughter of Mount Kalinda. Tire, on the bank. Cha, also. Vamshivate, at the banyan tree called Vamshivata. This is line 1 of verse 7. And what it means is, regarding the 6 Goswamis, they were sometimes on the bank of the Radhakunda lake, sometimes on the shore of the Yamuna, and sometimes in Vamshivata. Let's learn this line. Mataji, you're ready?
Yeah, Mataji.
Radha Kunda Tate Kalinda Tanaya Tire.
Radha Kunda Tate Kalinda Tanaya तीरे.
Yes. Chavamshi vate.
Chavamshi vate.
Excellent, Mataji. Now we'll do the whole line. Radha Kunda Tate Kalinda Tanaya Tire Chavamshi vate.
Radha Kunda Tate Kalinda Tanaya Tire Chavamshi vate.
Thank you, Mataji. That was great. Line 2. Let's go on to line 2. Word meanings. Prema Unmada, of the madness of love of God. Vashad, occasioned by the force. Ashesha Dashaya, by limitless ecstatic symptoms. Grastau, who are seized. Pramattau, who are maddened. Sada, always. What this line means is, at these places, they exhibited different transcendental symptoms in their bodies. Yeah, that's what it means. Sorry. They exhibit different, at these places they appeared just like madmen in the full ecstasy of love for Krishna, exhibiting different transcendental symptoms in their bodies. That's what this line means. We learn line 2. Radha Kund. Premonmadavashad.
Premonmadavashad.
Ashesha Dashaya.
Ashesha Dashaya.
Grastau Pramattau Sada.
Grastau Pramatau Sada.
Yes. In that Pramattau, Mataji, there's some stress at the double T point.
Yeah,
Pramattau.
Pramatau.
Yeah. Okay, so now we'll do the whole line. Premonmadavashadashesha dashaya. Grastau Pramattau Sada.
Premonmadavashadashesha Grastau Pramatau Sada.
Yes, excellent, Mataji. Thank you.
Now
Let's do line 3 now, and we'll do all 4 together at the end. Gayantau, who sing. Cha, and. Kada, sometimes. Harehe, of Lord Hari. Gunavaram, the excellent qualities. Bhava, in ecstasy. Abhibhutau, who are overwhelmed. Muda, with delight. So what this line means is, they were merged in the ecstasy of Krishna consciousness. It means many more things, but this is directly from what I read from the translation. So as we read the word meanings, we can try and place that into each of these words and visualize what the Goswamis were actually like. I find this is a useful exercise in trying to understand the song. And as I've mentioned before, the whole Shat Goswami Ashtakam describes the many qualities of the Goswamis. And ideally, as we sing these songs, we are offering tribute to them and praying that we acquire some of these qualities. So it's good to know what they are, what they mean, the words. Okay, we learn line 3 now. Gayantau chakada.
Gayantau chakada.
Harer gunavaram.
Harer gunavaram.
Bhavabhibhutau muda.
Bhavabhibhutau muda.
Yes, let's do the whole line. Gayantau.
Gayantau.
Sorry, Start.
Yeah.
गायन्तौ च कदा हरेर्गुणवरं भावाभिभूतौ मुदा
गायन्तौ च कदा हरेर्गुणवरम् भावाभिभूतौ मुदा.
Yes, excellent, Mataji.
Thank you.
Let's do line 4 like right after with the whole line, okay? Vande Rupa Sanatanau Raghuyugau Shri Jiva Gopalakau
वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ.
Yes. Okay, so that, as we all know, is the lyrics, meaning I offer my respectful obeisances unto the 6 Goswamis, Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatana Goswami, Sri Raghunatha Bhatta Goswami, Sri Raghunatha Dasa Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopala Bhatta Goswami. We'll go through the meaning now, the translation. Mataji, would you like to read the translation, or Rachna, or anyone?
Yeah, Mataji. The whole from I offer, Mataji.
Just the translation of verse 7.
Who were sometimes on the bank of the Radha Kunda lake, sometimes on the shores of the Yamuna, and sometimes in Vamshivata. At these places, they appeared just like madmen in the full ecstasy of love for Krishna, exhibiting different transcendental symptoms in their bodies, and they were merged in the ecstasy of Krishna consciousness.
Yes, thank you, Mataji. So now let's sing the whole verse, verse 7. I'll sing it in one shot and then you can sing.
Yeah.
Radha Kunda Tate Kalindatanaya Tire cha Vamshivate Premonmadavashadasheshadashaya Grastau Pramattau Sada गायन्तौ च कदा हरेर्गुणवरं भावाभिभूतौ मुदा वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ. Before you start, Mataji, small I made when I sang was I broke up between Tanaya and Tire.
Okay.
Doing that.
Yeah, Mataji. Okay, I have to join and sing.
Yeah, because it's hyphenated.
Okay.
So if that happens, like if you need breath,
Yeah.
I mean, please don't do the mistake I did.
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
after that day, we
Okay.
can take a break, or right after Tire, or a
Okay.
half before Tanaya. Please
Okay.
start.
I'll try, Mataji. Yeah. Radha Kunda Tate Kalindatanaya Tire Chavam Shivate Premonmadavashadasheshadashaya Grastau Pramattau Sada गायन्तौ च कदा हरेर्गुणवरम् भावाभिभूतौ मुदा वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Thanks for the opportunity.
Okay, we'll go on to verse 8 now. Mataji, are you okay to keep being the support singer?
Yeah, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Sure.
Let's do verse 8 then. We have only 5 more minutes, so we'll try to do this quickly. Verse 8 is the final verse of the Sri Shat Goswami Ashtakam. We've reached the end. Let's learn what the lyrics mean. Before that, I'll quickly sing the whole verse just for context. हे राधे व्रज देवी के चललिते हे नंद सूनो कुतः श्री गोवर्धन कल्प पाद पतले कालिंदी वने कुतः घोषन्ताविति सर्वतो व्रजपुरे खेदैर्महाविह्वलौ वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ. So in this second line of verse 8, we'll see Vanye in some places for Kalindi Vane. Like the slide which Mataji has shared, that is not there, fortunately. But in the books I have, it comes across like that. So if you see Vanye, I would suggest singing Vane because Prabhupada has sung it like that. So now we'll do the line by line meanings. He Radhe, O Radha, Raja Devi ke, O Queen of Raja, Cha, and Lalita, O Lalita, Sakhi, O Lalita Sakhi, He Nanda Sunaha, O son of Nanda Maharaja, Utaha, where are you? This is the first line. What it means is, this is something that the Goswamis would chant. O Queen of Vrindavana, rather they would shout. O Queen of Vrindavana, Radharani, O Lalita, O son of Nanda Maharaja, where are you all now? Okay, let's sing that line. He Radhe Vraja Devi ke chalalite.
हे राधे व्रज देवी के चललिते
हे नंद सूनो कुतः
हे नंद सोनो कुतः.
Now we'll sing the whole line in one shot. हे राधे व्रज देवी के चललिते हे नंद सूनो कुतः.
हे राधे व्रज देवी के चललिते हे नंद सुनो कुतः.
Line 2. Okay, so for those who joined later, we'll have a recap at the end so that we don't lose time. Okay. Right, line 2. Line 2 means, let's read the word translations. Shri Govardhana, on beautiful Govardhana hill. Kalpapada Patale, at the base of the desire trees. Kalindi Vane, in the forest on the bank of the Yamuna. Kutaha, where are you? What this line means is, are you just on the hill of Govardhan? Or are you under the trees on the bank of the Yamuna? Where are you? Okay. Let's learn this line. Shri Govardhana Kalpapada Patale.
Shri Govardhana Kalpapada Patale.
Kalindi Vane Kutaha.
Kalindi Vane Kutaha.
Yes. Let's do the whole line. Shri Govardhana Kalpapada Patale. Kalindi Vane Kutaha.
Shri Govardhana धनकल्पपादपतले कालिन्दी वने कुतः.
Yes. Line 3. Ghoshanta, rather Ghoshantau, who are shouting. Iti, thus. Sarvataha, everywhere. Rajapure, in Vrindavana. Khedaihi, by distress. Mahabhihvalau, who are greatly agitated. So here Ghoshantau has become Ghoshantav in the song. Khedaihi has become Khedair, and just before that, Sarvataha has become Sarvato. These are transformations which happen in Sanskrit in composition. Please note those. The word meanings are not using the same words as the verse itself. We are at 5:1. I need to check with the admins if we can take 5 more minutes.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Let's do line 3. Ghoshantaviti sarvato vrajapure.
घोषन्ताविति सर्वतो व्रजपुरे
खेदैर्महाविह्वलौ
केदैर्महाविह्वलौ.
The whole line. Ghoshantaviti sarvato vrajapure खेदैर्महाविह्वलौ.
घोषन्ताविति सर्वतो व्रजपुरे केदैर्महाविह्वलौ.
Yes. So what this line means is the 6 Goswamis would chant very loudly everywhere in Vrindavan, shouting the lines we read above. Where are you, Radharani? Where are you, Nanda Maharaj? Sorry, where are you, son of Nanda Maharaj? Where are you, on the Govardhan, or are you under the trees on the bank of the Yamuna? Where are you? So these were their moods in executing Krishna consciousness. They are constantly in separation and seeking out the Lords. So that's the line 3. Now we'll sing line 4 and the whole verse together. Vande Rupa Sanatanau Raghuyugau Shri Jiva Gopalakau.
Vande Rupa Sanatanau Raghuyugau Shri Jiva Gopalakau.
Yes. So let's do all 4 lines. And okay, before that, Mataji, please read the translation for verse 8.
I offer my respectful obeisances unto the 6 Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatana Goswami, Sri Raghunatha Bhatta Goswami, Sri Raghunatha Dasa Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopala Bhatta Goswami, who chanted very loudly everywhere in Vrindavana, shouting, O Queen of Vrindavana, Radharani, O Lalita, O son of Nanda Maharaja, where are you all now? Are you just on the hill of Govardhana? Or are you under the trees on the bank of the Yamuna? Where are you? These were their moods in executing Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Now let's sing verse 8, all 4 lines together. He Radhe Vraja Devi ke chalalite He Nanda Suno Kutaha Shri Govardhana Kalpa Pada Patale Kalindi Vane Kutaha Ghoshantaviti Sarvato Vrajapure Khedairmahavihvalau Vande Rupa Sanatanau Raghuyugau Shri Jiva Gopalakau.
हे राधे व्रज देविके च ललिते हे नंद सूनो कुतः श्री गोवर्धन कल्पपादपतले कालिंदी वने कुतः गोशान्ताविति सर्वतो व्रजपुरे केदैर्महाविह्वलौ वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ
Hare Krishna, Ratikali Mataji. Are you there?
Hare Krishna, I'm sorry I was on mute and talking. So
Oh.
thank you, Mataji. Yeah, thank you, Mataji. That was very nice.
Thank you, Mataji, for giving the opportunity. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Doing so nicely. So in this song, the first line, the 8th verse, first line, Devi K is a long E. Devi K. It's a little challenging when we sing, but that's how the word is. So as far as possible, we can try. It's the only comment I want to make about this verse.
Yeah, Mataji. We'll try to remember that and we'll sing.
Not to you, Mataji. In general, I was saying.
Okay, Mataji.
Pointed it out earlier also. So that's verse 7 and 8 are done. If we have time, we can do verse 7 and 8 together. If not, we can sign out and I'll share the audios on the group. Malini Mataji, what do you say?
Hare Krishna, Mataji would like to stay for another few minutes.
Okay, Mataji.
You of you can answer.
Yeah, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, we go ahead.
Okay, Mataji.
Maybe if someone's in a hurry, then they can leave. I'll post the audios anyway. But if you want, you can stay back and we'll sing both verses together. Maybe everyone can be on mute. We'll just sing at our end along with me. We'll sing together. Radha Kunda Ekakunda Tanaya Tire Shavam Shivte Premonmadavashadasheshadashya Grastau Pramattau Sada Gayantau Chakada Harer Gunavaram Bhavabhibhutau Muda Vande Rupa Sanatanau Raghuyugau Shri Jiva Gopalakau He Radhe Vraja Devi Ke Chalalite He Nanda Suno Kutaha Shri Govardhana Kalpa Pada Patale Kalindi Vane Kutaha Goshantaviti Sarvato Vrajapure Kedair Mahavihvalo Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghuyugau Shri Jiva Gopalakau Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghuyugau Shri Jiva Gopalakau